There's so much to think about when you're planning a wedding. You've got the size, you've got the time, you've got the date, you've got the venue. You need to think about the budget. All of those factors come into play. Let's begin with setting the date and the time. You'll definitely need to think about what your dreams are for the day. If you're thinking about a beach wedding, and maybe your fiancé is thinking about the grand ballroom at the Ritz, you'll need to discuss that right away so that you'll be able to find out exactly what venue you need to book. Plan on booking a venue at least 10 to 12 months in advance. The larger venues will end up booking as much as 24 months in advance. Most vendors will end up giving you a small discount to sometimes a substantial discount, depending on the date and the time of your wedding. On a Friday night, they may not have anything booked for that evening, so they may want to bring in the business. Therefore, they'll give you maybe a 5%, sometimes as much as a 10 or 15% discount on your entire wedding bill.
My name is Jane Salos, and I'm a certified wedding consultant. All weddings can be elegant, not only at a church, but at the location of your choice. It could be at a chapel, it could be at a church, or it could be at one of the beautiful hotels in the area. It could be at your home, in your backyard. Anything is possible, even a wedding at a church hall, where we have had many lovely weddings. Your wedding can be beautiful with many flowers or with very little flowers. Some of the most beautiful weddings that I have had, or that I have had the pleasure of participating in, were not necessarily all that expensive or elaborate, but they were elegant.
When selecting your date, however, keep in mind the convenience for your guests. On a Saturday afternoon or evening, it's generally very easy for your guests to get to. On a Friday, however, you're having to have your guests possibly come from work or come from out of town, and traffic may be crazy right before that rehearsal on a Thursday night, generally. If you're looking at a Sunday afternoon wedding, also keep in mind church schedules. If you've got a lot of your friends and family that are going to be coming straight from church, you may want to look at a 2:30 or 3 o'clock wedding versus a 12 o'clock noon.